As parents, we want to give our children the best possible start in life. But have you ever considered that the key to unlocking your child's full potential might be sitting right there in your refrigerator? The food your child eats plays a critical role in their development, especially brain health. So if you're ready to give your child the gift of a healthy and thriving mind, stay tuned. Let's start with a breakfast staple: eggs. Eggs are packed with choline, an essential nutrient that's a crucial building block for brain cells. Think of choline like a skilled architect, helping to build strong and efficient communication networks in the brain. Studies have linked choline intake to better performance in school, particularly in areas like math and reading. Making eggs a regular part of their diet is a great start. You can whip up some scrambled eggs with a side of veggies in the morning, pack a protein-rich egg salad sandwich for lunch, or even incorporate them into dinner with a veggie-packed omelet. Make eggs a regular part of your child's diet, and you'll be giving their brain the nutritional boost it needs to thrive. Now let's talk about another brain-boosting superstar fatty fish. We're talking about salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines. These fish are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, which are essential for brain health. DHA is a major structural component of brain cell membranes, ensuring that these membranes are fluid and flexible, allowing for optimal communication between brain cells. Studies have shown that kids who get enough omega-3s tend to have sharper memories, improved attention spans, and even better emotional regulation. Even small portions of fatty fish a couple of times a week can make a difference. Try grilling salmon with a honey soy glaze or making tuna salad sandwiches with avocado instead of mayo. And if all else fails, talk to your pediatrician about omega-3 supplements. Make fatty fish a regular part of your family's diet and watch your child's cognitive abilities soar. Moving on to a food that's as delicious as it is nutritious: berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. These vibrant little gems are bursting with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals and protect our cells from damage. Berries don't just protect the brain, they also enhance cognitive function. They're particularly rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory, boost learning, and even enhance communication between brain cells. You can add them to yogurt or oatmeal in the morning, pack them in lunch boxes for a healthy snack, or even blend them into smoothies. Incorporating berries into your child's diet is a simple yet powerful way to support their brain health and set them up for a lifetime of learning and success. Let's talk about a breakfast staple that deserves a standing ovation: oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which the body breaks down slowly, providing a steady and sustained release of energy throughout the morning. This means no more sugar crashes or mid-morning meltdowns. They're also a good source of B vitamins, which are essential for a healthy nervous system. You can prepare them with milk or yogurt and top them with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious breakfast bowl. You can also get creative with overnight oats, adding in chia seeds, nut butter, and berries for a fun and flavorful twist. Make oats a regular part of your child's breakfast routine, setting them up for a day of focused and productive learning. Let's move on to a snack that's both convenient and incredibly beneficial for brain health: nuts and seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can significantly impact your child's cognitive development. They're a great source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are crucial for brain cell structure and function. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in learning and memory. And don't forget about chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. These tiny but mighty seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Include a variety of nuts and seeds in your child's diet. Now let's talk about a vegetable that often gets a bad rap from kids, but is a true superhero when it comes to brain health: broccoli. Broccoli is packed with vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in cognitive function and memory. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin K intake is associated with better performance on tests of verbal episodic memory. It's also a good source of choline, essential for brain cell development and function. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, which protects the brain against oxidative stress and inflammation, You can try roasting it with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for a crispy and flavorful side dish. Or, you can sneak it into smoothies, soups, or even pasta sauces, where its flavor will be well masked. Keep offering it to your child in different ways, and you might be surprised at how much they grow to enjoy this brain-boosting veggie. Let's talk about the fascinating connection between gut health and brain health. Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, and maintaining a healthy balance of these bacteria is crucial for overall well-being, including brain function. Natural yogurt is a fantastic source of probiotics, which are live, beneficial bacteria that help populate our gut with the good guys. Studies have shown that a healthy gut microbiome can lead to improved cognitive function, better emotional regulation, and even a reduced risk of mood disorders. It's also a good source of protein, calcium, and B vitamins, all of which are important for brain health and development. When choosing yogurt for your child, opt for plain, unsweetened varieties, as flavored yogurts can be loaded with added sugar. Make natural yogurt a regular part of your child's diet, supporting their gut health and, in turn, their brain health. Let's talk about a treat that's both delicious and surprisingly good for the brain: dark chocolate. We're talking about dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70%, as this is where the magic happens. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that's been shown to have particularly beneficial effects on the brain. Flavonoids are believed to improve blood flow to the brain, which means more oxygen and nutrients reaching those brain cells, allowing them to function at their best. They also stimulate the production of new brain cells in the hippocampus, an area of the brain involved in learning and memory. A small square or two a day is all it takes to reap the cognitive benefits without overdoing it on sugar and calories. Just remember, the higher the cocoa content, the better. Let's talk about a fruit that's been gaining well-deserved popularity in recent years: avocado. Avocado is unique because it's packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are incredibly beneficial for brain health. These healthy fats act as building blocks for brain cell membranes, ensuring that these membranes are fluid and flexible, allowing for optimal communication between brain cells. Avocado is also a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also a good source of lutein, an antioxidant that's particularly beneficial for eye health and cognitive function. You can add it to smoothies for a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats, spread it on toast, or use it in desserts like chocolate avocado mousse. Incorporate avocado into your child's diet for a delicious and nutritious brain boost. Let's talk about another leafy green that deserves a spot on your child's plate: spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in brain development and function. Folate is essential for the production of DNA and RNA, the building blocks of cells, including brain cells. It's also involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. Spinach is also a good source of vitamin K, which is important for cognitive function and memory. You can add it to smoothies, soups, pasta sauces, or even scrambled eggs for a nutritional boost that's practically invisible. Incorporate spinach into your child's diet for a smarter mind. So there you have it, 10 powerful foods that can make a real difference in your child's cognitive development. Start small. Maybe this week you focus on adding more eggs and fatty fish to your meals. Next week, you can experiment with different ways to serve broccoli and spinach. The key is to make gradual changes that you can sustain over time. By providing them with the nutrients they need to thrive, you're setting them up for a lifetime of learning, growth, and success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health and parenting tips, and share it with other parents. Until next time, keep those brains fueled and those minds thriving.